Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back at it again with the Madam Glam advent calendar. Today I'm actually going to be unboxing December 14th, 15th, and 16th gift because I'm actually getting my house painted and everything's going to be like put aside. But yeah, my nail room is getting repainted too because I really hate the color. I really don't like the way it came out. And yeah, I'm really gonna need Home Depot and Walmart to get their ish together. Like, they messed up my color like 3 times and we just like hate the way it looks, so we're just like getting a professional to do it now. So I'm praying that it comes out the way I want it to because I'm not changing it again. Okay, so yeah, this is why I'm doing all 3 days today, just so you guys will have the unboxings and I don't miss any of them. So yeah. So let's see where the 14th is. I believe these are all gonna be like gel polishes. So that's the 14th, and then the 15th, and the 16th. All right, so let me zoom in a little bit. So let me hold them all like this so you guys can see. So this is what we're looking like for the 14th, 15th, and 16th. The packaging in this advent calendar is so adorable. I love it so much. Like, all the boxes are different, but they all coordinate together. It's so cute. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox number 14 first, since that's today's date. So it is a mini gel polish. I like the name too. Okay, so this one is called Upper East Side, and it is a gel polish. Let me try to open it. I did put lotion on again before the video. Alright, so this is what this color is looking like. It almost looks like a grayish color, I think. Unless I'm blind, but yeah, it does look like a gray color. It does look really pretty. So I'm not even gonna close that all the way because I know I'm gonna like have trouble opening it. So let's see what the 15th is looking like. Ooh, this one looks like a glittery shade. This one, okay, this one is actually called Tomboy. Sometimes the names are on the front of them and sometimes they're like on the top. So yeah, this one is called Tomboy and it does look like a glittery shade. Oh my god, so I actually literally had to use some pliers to get this open. I don't know why I have such a hard time opening these bottles. I think it's because of my nails, and when I try to open it, it gets in the way. But yeah, it's finally open now. So this looks like a really nice holographic glittery blue shade. It's really pretty. Can't wait to swatch that one as well. And then the last one is December 16th, and this one looks like another glittery shade, and this one is called Coffee Talk. That's a cute name. Ooh, I actually got that one open on the first try. I am so proud of myself. But yeah, here is the Coffee Talk color. I don't know if you guys can see it that well, but it's actually like a brown glitter holographic shade. So that's really nice. This color really gives me a fall vibe. So I'm going to go ahead and just swatch them for you guys. Get out 3 swatch sticks. All right, so The first color I'm gonna swatch is Upper East Side. Yeah, this is definitely like a dark gray shade, which I really like. And you probably already know what I'm gonna say, but this color would look so bomb matte. I think I'm gonna have to do a matte top coat on this one because I'm dying to see what this one looks like with that velvet matte on top of it. Ever since they sent that to me, it's like that's all I wanna do is like velvet matte nails now. But yeah, this is one coat, and as you can see, it's pretty full coverage. I think I might just need to go in with a second coat just to like make the color a little bit more opaque. But yeah, this one definitely has really good coverage with one coat. And I'm gonna cure these each for 60 seconds. And the next one I'm gonna swatch is Tomboy. Let's see what this one's looking like. I love blue holographic gel polishes. And you guys wouldn't believe this. My first set of nails I ever did was like something similar to this color. They were like a blue glitter shade. And I put like little clear rhinestones on them. They're actually really cute. They were like stilettos. The only thing I would say that I could have done differently on my first set was like not make them so like thin. I just kept like filing them so much that the side walls were like super thin. I don't know, it was weird. But yeah, this color is really pigmented as well. I do need to go in with a second coat. There's like a little bit of a sheer spots, but it's really not bad. Madam Glam polishes are usually good with just 2 coats, and that's really all you need. It's starting to pool up at the bottom there. Okay, and the last color I'm swatching is the Coffee Talk color. Ooh, this one's really pretty. Yeah, this one definitely reminds me of fall. This would be like the perfect fall shade that with that brown glitter in a set. Really pretty. Look at that. The brown and the gold glitters go so well together. So I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds and then we'll go in with a second coat. All right, so now I'm just gonna go in with the second coat, starting with the Upper East Side color. So as you can see with the second coat, this color is way more pigmented. The second coat definitely did good for this color. You can definitely see the true color now. And now I'm gonna be swatching the second coat of the Tomboy shade. The brush on these is like so tiny. It's so hard to do this with like long nails with such a tiny handle. But I'm managing to do it, surprisingly. So yeah, this is Tomboy. I love this color so much. I would definitely rock this color. Like I said, I've done a set of nails like this before. This is one of my favorite shades of blue. I love that like deep blue. Very pretty. And last, we're gonna swatch Coffee Talk. It would be nice if I was in frame. Okay, so I really love this color now that I can actually see what it's looking like. Yeah, definitely fall vibes right there. All right, so I'm gonna cure these and we're gonna go in with the top coat and the velvet matte top coat. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the velvet matte on the Upper East Side color. I'm dying to see what this looks like matte. I just have to see what it looks like. I already know it's gonna be really bomb once it's cured. I already know. All right, so as you can see, here's a look at it as if it was shiny. And then I'm gonna cure it and it's gonna be matte. So let's just top coat the other two. By the way, this is the Madam Glam Velvet Matte Top Coat. This is that top coat, I'm telling you. It is really nice and like velvet matte. I don't know, I just love it so much. It's my new fave. And this is also my other favorite, the Madam Glam No Wipe Top Gel. Both of these actually came in the advent calendar. So yeah, I'm gonna top coat the glittery ones with the Madam Glam No Wipe Top Gel. And this is what we're looking like before we cure. And now I'm gonna top coat Coffee Talk. So here are the three colors after they were cured in the lamp for 60 seconds. I am loving them. The glitter shades are just so sparkly and pretty. I love all the holographic glitters in them. And you can't even lie, this color does look so good matte. Oh my god, that top coat is just so gorgeous. It makes everything look so velvety and smooth, and it actually feels like really smooth. That's why I'm always like touching them. But yeah, these three colors are so bomb. I just want to do like a whole set of that color. Just like some coffin shaped nails, like real long ones with like just that color, velvet matte. That would be so freaking cute. Like I said, I'm obsessed with like putting matte on everything now. Like literally, I just have to see what like every color looks like matte. But yeah, this velvet matte top coat is definitely in my top faves. You guys should definitely check out Madam Glam if you haven't already. Their polishes are they're just it, okay? I'm telling you, they got the best gel polishes out there. I don't care what anybody says. They are the best, hands down. So yeah, that pretty much wraps it up for December 14th, 15th, and 16th. And I will be back to see you guys for the 17th. I might do another 3 days again. I don't really know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video, because I always post nail tutorials and product reviews and all that good stuff. So you don't want to miss out. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next unboxing. Bye. Love you guys.